Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to pipe an Austin Rose, which is this one. It's a pretty flower. I'm going to have to excuse if you can hear background noise. I'm so awful sorry about that. It's obviously in my studio. I can't help what's going on the outside, but I do hope you can hear what I'm saying. So the piping tips we're going to use is a 125K, which is this tip. It's a very thin, narrow tip. It's similar to the 124K, just a little bit bigger. And we're also going to use a gem 123, which is this petal tip. It's like a little moon. Right, so the colouring I'm using is Pro Gel Pink. As always, I use the Pro Gel colours or Sugar Flares. First of all, what we have to do is flat ice the cupcake. I've just done a little bit of this, but I'm going to put a bit more on there. So we flat ice and always pipe onto a frozen cupcake. So you flat ice across the top. It helps to stop crumbs getting in there. I'll just pop that to the side. Now we're going to get our 1, 2, 5. We tighten the bag. Make sure it's nice and tight. And we're going to pipe 5 upright. So we want to come out to about there. My buttercream is quite soft, so it's getting it to stand. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Push that one up, and 1 there, 5. And that one's a bit off course, so I'm actually going to just flatten that one down and redo it. So just flatten that one, so. So we want to come off about here. So you've got 5, like that. That one's flopped over. Try and stand it up a bit. I'm just going to wipe. Always have something on hand to wipe your piping tips. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start here and come round and go round, in and out, in and out. You can stop if you want to. Stop and tighten. And then we're going to go, we'll start back here again. It doesn't matter where you start. We need to get this nice ruffle effect in the centre, in and round. Just carry on round like so, and stop again. Like I said, my buttercream is so soft. So I'm going to do that again. We'll start back on here, in and around, and stop, and then you can start again there and come in and around and go in there. It's basically making these ruffles in the centre that's quite popular in the David Austin Rose. These are really pretty English roses. We can do some more ruffles there. Like I said, you don't have to, stick to the in and round as I was doing. You just need to get this centre all nicely ruffled. It's a very easy little flower to pipe. So you get this ruffled effect in the middle, like so. That's your centre. Pop that piping tip there. So we'll take our gem. This is a gem 123. Excuse me. Right, so what we're going to do is bring that forward towards you, and we're going to, with the big large bit there, that's down towards the cupcake, but we're going to bring it, and we're just going to go over. It's a bit like piping a peony, and just go over just to give the outer petals that haven't ruffled or opened. So start halfway across, go around, halfway across, go around, halfway across, round, round, and round. And what I like to do on these is do some petals as though they're opening. So I need to tighten this bag because, like I said, the buttercream's gone quite soft here in my studio. It's very warm today. And see, we've got a bit of a gap there, but I'm going to actually just bring that out a little bit, just like it's an opening petal, like so. And see, I'm going to do another one there. Just slightly bring it out. Fit another one there, just so it looks like it's just opened a little bit. It doesn't have to have too many. I'll probably put one there, so like so. So there you have it. That's my version of a Austin rose. Now, if you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Give me a like, leave me a comment. I do like seeing your comments. I get quite a few. Anyway, thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. I'll see you all soon with another new flower. Bye.